Hey gladiators, welcome to Shape of the Day. We are going to start with 2D shapes and then we are going to start moving into some 3D shapes. So our first shape of the day is a triangle. So we all know what a triangle looks like. There we go. We see a lot of these in real life. What you're going to do is we're going to look at something called the vertices or the corners and the edges of a triangle. So just there's a couple quick little videos. You do not need to watch them both. But you've got a Jack Hartman song about some vertices and corners, and there is a shapes or a video about shapes talking about the vertices and the corners. Now, I don't know if you can see this that well here, but when you're looking at a side, there we go. It's also can be called it's an edge in a 3D shape. So when we're looking at the side here, we're looking at the side of the shape. So 1, 2, and 3 sides. And when you're looking at the vertice or the corner, you're looking at what makes the corner, the turn, kind of in your shape. So you have 1, 2, and 3. So a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, or vertices is a very fancy math name for the corner. So I'm going to skip down here. Again, you do not need to watch all of these videos. This is a book called The Greedy Triangle. These are where you can find triangles. Not sure what happened there. Triangles in real life, and this is how some practicing drawing a triangle. You can practice drawing a triangle at home on your whiteboard if you would like. When you're finished that, head down to this page here. Sorry, this is just a review for the sides and vertices or the corners. So you'll click on the box where your text box is going to be so you can answer. Sometimes you just have to look around. There we go. I'm going to backspace this. Now, when I have this drawn out again, when I'm looking at the sides, I'm looking at 1, 2, 3 sides of the triangle. So I've got 3 sides, and vertices means corner, where it's turning. 1, 2, 3. So underneath vertices, I am going to write 3 there as well. Now, the last thing you're going to do on this page, a little glitchy today, is it says go to Google Images and find a picture of a triangle in real life. Copy and paste it below. This is how you do this. You're going to come up and you're going to see the word insert. Click on that and click on the first one. It looks like a picture. It says image. You're going to go to the magnifying glass where it says search the web. Click on that there. I'm just going to move myself over here. And then it says search for images. We're going to put down a triangle in real life. So this would be where you can find a triangle in real life. If you're having trouble with this step, guys, please make sure, or you can try to, there we go. That's a diamond. So you can kind of search for a while. Here's a triangle. It's on a sign. Sorry, if you're having trouble doing this stage, you can draw one or kind of go on a little scavenger hunt in your house to find a triangle. So when I found the picture, I click on it so there's a little check mark. I'm going to press insert and it's going to come up on my slide. Now the picture is probably going to be quite big. This happens quite frequently. Don't want that one, that's a diamond. There we go, I've moved it over. So as I said, this is going to be quite big. As long as it's not covering your answer here, that's okay if it's a little bit bigger. If you want to make it smaller though, you kind of find one of these blue boxes on this side or this side, top and bottom, and you kind of get the diagonal arrows here. Click on that and drag it in with your mouse clicked. And that will make the picture smaller for you. I'm going to use my 4 arrows to move it down. Does not need to be perfect. When you're finished that, you'll do some skip counting. And then if you have some time, so if you have time, you're going to go to IXL and ABCYA, go into 2-dimensional shapes. That's 2D shapes. Have a lot of fun. Miss V and I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with for your pictures.